Before understanding the SINOTRUK wiring diagram, let's first get familiar with the diagram reading tools. 1. Diagram page number. 2. Diagram scale. 3. Connection of lines. 4. Wire number and color. 5. Electrical component list. 6. Electrical component codes and symbols. 1. Diagram page number indicates which page the circuit diagram is on. Located above the circuit diagram, the text logo. HOT 5G model circuit diagram. Nano BCU plus TFT dashboard represents the electrical structure. January 2015 edition represents the release time. The last digit indicates the page number of the circuit diagram. For example, this is page 1. Some circuit diagram page numbers are located in the table in the lower right corner. 2. Diagram scale. Located below each circuit diagram, numbers are marked every 5 units. This is the ruler of the circuit diagram, used to search for the corresponding line. 3. Connection of lines. There are many wires in the circuit diagram. How are they connected? Let's take the wiper relay as an example. When looking for the corresponding connection line, you need to use the page number and scale. A 46th one represents the first page of this drawing. A 46 represents the connection to the 46th scale on page 1. A 38th is the same principle. Four. Wire number and color. In the SINOTRUK circuit diagram, wires are mainly distinguished by wire diameter and color. 0.75 represents the wire diameter mm. The wire colors are indicated by capital letters. The correspondence between letters and colors is as follows. 2.5 AB represents the wire to 0.5 mm red and black. 1.5A represents the wire 1.5 mm red wire. 0.75E represents the wire 0.75 mm gray line. 5. Electrical component list. Located in the lower left corner of each circuit diagram page, corresponding to the names of the electrical components appearing in this circuit diagram. In the circuit diagram, you can see a lot of electronic control modules. For example, a 101 usually stands for fuse and relay box. There will be many numbers under these electronic control modules. These numbers usually indicate the plug and pins of the module. For example, 2.2 means pin 2 of plug 2 of this module. Similarly, 2.9 represents the 9th pin of the second plug of this module. 6. Electrical component codes and symbols.